Hi there, Nick from AZInsight here. In this video, we will be looking at how AZInsight calculates your return on investment, also called ROI. First, we will start by understanding what ROI is. Then, we will review the three options AZInsight gives you for defining what you consider investment in your ROI. And lastly, we will look at where we need to go on AZInsight to choose one of the three options for AZInsight to use to calculate our ROI method. So let's just get started. ROI is net profit divided by investment. Your net profit is sell price minus buy cost minus Amazon fees minus any other costs. Your investment can be either your buy cost or your buy cost plus all custom costs, or your buy cost plus all custom costs plus Amazon fees. Okay, so let's break down what is the investment. As shown in the previous screen, it can either be three different things. The first thing is your buy cost, how much you paid for the product. The second option is your buy cost plus all custom costs, which is how much you paid for the product plus any other fees you incur to ship to Amazon, such as cost of boxes, packing supplies, prep costs, etc. The third option is your buy cost plus all custom costs plus Amazon fees, how much you paid for the product, plus all other fees you incurred to ship to Amazon, such as cost of boxes, packing supplies, prep costs, and including all Amazon fees, such as the referral fee, fulfillment fee, or storage fees. Now let's look how to set the ROI on AZInsight. Start by going to the gear settings icon, then locate calculator settings and click on it. Locate the ROI calculation method dropdown and click on it. Here you can see the three options as we discussed in the video on how AZInsight can calculate ROI. Either investment equals buy cost, investment equals buy cost plus all custom costs, or investment equals buy cost plus all custom costs plus all Amazon fees. So choose one of these options on how you would like the ROI to be calculated. Then click on Save to apply the changes. Then simply go back into the AZInsight calculator and your ROI will be recalculated using one of the three options that you've chosen. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.